Okay, so this is called Mugs, and we're just gonna, there's a little map of Macau right there, and you can also just see some of the stuff in here. And basically today we're just gonna take a little walk around Taipa. These are some of the beers. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Some of the beers, they always sell, these are like, I don't know, I see these a lot of different places. There's like a Jeffrey, they're usually from like Netherlands or Germany. There's some Japanese in there. There's definitely Portuguese as well. So, okay, let's just take a look. So Cafe Mugs, this is actually the third one. There's two in the Macau side and there's one here. We're also gonna just take a look at this too. So you can sit outside. And okay, so this is Mugs. This is in Taipa, and we're going to be walking into this little Taipa area. So right to the left is a garden, and it's closed right now because of the coronavirus. But there's some people that are in there. I see some kids playing in there right now. Then we're going to show you up as well. So you have these apartments that are connected from up above. And along the wall there's always people kind of hanging out for whatever reason. Sometimes I'll see in front of here in this area, sometimes there'll be some Vietnamese that are hanging out. I don't know why, but just kind of walk in for a minute. But sometimes along this wall here, just to see what else there is. There's Chinese restaurant. This one is just gonna see if I can hear. This is cheap clothing. I was gonna see if I could hear Vietnamese. And if you go on in, kind of goes into the center part, and a lot of Filipino for sure. Get all kinds in Macau. It's a Chinese city, but it's also Portuguese and many Southeast Asian. So you'll always see Filipino, Vietnamese, more Vietnamese than you think. You just don't know who they are. Sometimes they kind of look like Chinese, so it's hard to differentiate. So, okay, we're gonna walk out into this main spot, Macau Chinese Bank. A lot of banks in this place. We're gonna walk up to a food court that's straight ahead. Okay, so anyways, that's a little bit of what Macau looks like. This is called the Taipa area. And we just kind of walked around with a little bit of a thing there. And we're back here, so we've started over there by Mugs. And we're gonna walk around Rua de Ivora. And we're gonna sneak across here. So okay, parking shop is down this way. So, okay. Huh. This is Taipa right here. This is the train line now. And they're gonna build another train line. Huh. You can kind of see the overall picture. So I guess later there's gonna be a train on the Zhuhai side. And then this will meet up here again by the Macau, and then this will go through, and then this is gonna go through Macau, and then that'll go to Hong Kong. Huh. I guess that'll be all one, maybe a bullet train or something like that in the future? It's hard to say. But anyways, that blue line is what's currently here, and then I guess the other one, they're building it. Huh. I never really saw that before. I mean, I knew the one train line was here for sure, but the visualization of that I didn't know before. Okay, and we're gonna go up a little bit further and end up at this French restaurant, French place I filmed before, and I figured this way people can, they're restocking their shelves. Samurai fish. It's like a Japanese restaurant. It's pretty cool. Alright. We're gonna end up over here by this French one. And let's see what this one is. Oh, that looks pretty good. Fried pork chops. Noodles. Computer repair shop. Another real estate one. Another same real estate. Treasure property. Midland Realty. So there's two. And then here's the French one. So we're just gonna end by this French one. So this has all French foods. You can see by the wine. Paris store. It's called the Paris store. Okay. It's just kind of back a little bit. Paris store. So I filmed recently one evening, so that's it again. Just kind of by chance that I ended up filming this again. And then you can kind of see, so this is this particular corner. There's a Crazy Noodles, which looks like it's closed. This corner, it's kind of a cool looking building. Never really noticed that up above like that before. And then there's lots of buildings down that way and lots of buildings over this way too. So we're gonna close out this one in this particular location. So there you go. This is Taipa Village, kind of a interesting little spot of the city. Scooters park here, and then the police station must be right across the street there. So okay.